Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful.
Assalamualaikum. I am Ms. Hira Khan. I am English language and English literature teacher, and I will teach class 1. This is the Global English Learners books for the class 1. Are you having this book? Okay, what can you see on the title of the book? Yes, this is a picture of a classroom, as there is a green table and 2 red chairs, a whiteboard on the wall, and a word map. This book is a great source of learning for the students. You should have these. It will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Whatever you will learn from learner's book, you will be able to practice that in your activity book. Whenever you need to learn new spellings of the word, you can concern this book. This is the activity book for the class 1. It's having the same title as the learner's book. Whatever you will learn in the learner's book, you can practice over here. It will improve your language skills and spellings, and you will be able to accept challenges. It will encourage you to accept new things to do. So you should have to have this book to learn more and more and to practice new things. Class 1, our book is divided into 9 units and more subtopics. Like, first of all, we have to do words and expressions, use of English, reading and writing, listening, speaking, school subjects, phonics, critical thinking. In short, this book will improve your reading, writing, listening and speaking skills, as well as it will boost up your critical thinking. First term, we will do 4 units. Unit number 1, welcome to school. Number 2, family times. Number 3, fun and games. Number 4, making things. For the sake of learning, we should have to adopt some good habits. So first of all, you have to listen to me, because listening is a first step to move forward towards learning. If you are a good listener, you will be a good speaker. And if you are a good speaker, you can read the text very well. And after that, you will be able to write things effectively. So be a good listener so that you will be a good learner. So listen to my lesson carefully so that you will be able to follow the directions and accept the challenges from my side. Now we are going to start our lesson number 2, unit number 1. We will do learner's book, page number 10 and 11. And from activity book, we will do page number 4 and 5. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to listen to the poem, add a conversation, follow directions and listen for informations. Have a conversation with friend or siblings, practice theme vocabulary, recite and read a poem, read classroom labels and treasure hunt. Write numbers, select and write words to complete the poem. Learn singular, plural, possessive adjective, his and her. Increase your word bank. Now move towards the lesson. All the work will be done in activity book, learner's book, worksheet pad and notebook, and in the form of worksheets as well. Students, now we are going to start our unit number 1, welcome to school. What do you do at school? Can you tell me? Okay, look around in a classroom and tell me, what can you see over there? Yes, there are so many things. There are tables, chairs, whiteboard, a wall clock, a cupboard, students, teacher, notebooks, pencils, crayons, scales, lunchbox and school bags. There are so many things. Welcome to school, students. Now, I hope you can name so many things that are there inside the classroom. let's move towards the audio track I'm going to play. You will enjoy that track. Enjoy the track and repeat, enchant it after me.
Track 3.
Hello, school. Tables and chairs, a list of rules, books and crayons. Hello, school.
Class, can you look at the picture? There are two girls sitting together. They are talking. It feels that they are friends. Are you having any friend in your classroom? Do you like to talk to your friend? Okay, do you ask questions to your friend? What question do you ask from him? Okay, I do feel that these two girls are also friends. They are talking about something. Do you want to know about their conversation? So let's move on and listen to their conversation in the track.
Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name?
My name is Maria. How old are you?
I'm 6.
Me too.
I like your lunchbox.
Thank you.
After listening to their conversation, we come to know that they are 6 years old. They are Anna and Maria. Their names are different, but their age is the same. She said thank you when the other likes her lunchbox. So, thank you is the greeting words. When someone say good to us, we should say a greeting word, thank you. Now come towards the page number 11 of Learner's Book. What can you see in the picture? Okay, can you tell me what are you having these things in your classroom as well? What are these? Okay, there are so many things around you in your classroom. So, listen to the chant carefully so that you will be able to know that what are there in the picture and what are there in your classroom.
5. A table. A clock. A whiteboard. An ABC chart. Chairs. Computers.
In my classroom, there are tables and chairs. There are lots of books and 2 computers. There's also a whiteboard. What do you have in your class?
Now come towards the activity book, unit number 1, page number 4. What do we do at school? I can say the names of the things in my classroom. After listening to the track, are you able? Can you name the things in your classroom? Okay, now you're going to make a treasure hunt list. Do you know what is the meaning of treasure? Yes, it means something that is very important, very valuable for the classroom. So, the things we are going to find out are very important for the classroom. Now, recall in your mind the classroom you were having before. What is over there in the classroom? Was there a blue chair? If you had a blue chair in your classroom, then circle the word yes. If no, then circle the word no. Now color the chair as blue. A green pencil. Color the pencil as green. Is there any green pencil in the classroom? Circle it. A red book. Color the book as red. Okay, is there any red book in your classroom? Yes or no? Circle it. A ruler. Yes or no? Circle it. A clock. Is there any clock in your classroom? Circle it. A computer. Are you having a computer in your classroom? Circle it. Now come towards the page number 5. Count and write. Write the numbers, add an S at the end of the words to show more than one. As you know that we add S with the singular noun to make it plural. Singular is something that is one, and if it's more than one, it's plural. So, a ruler, 2 rulers. A pencil. Can you count the pencils? Okay, there are 4 pencils. Pencils. We add the letter S. A book. Count these books. 3 books. A boy. 2 boys. A girl. How many girls are there? 4 girls. Okay, now listen to the poem and chant it with me. Students, now we are having a word box on the page number 5. Look at the end of the page. There is a word box. We are having some nouns that are in the classroom. This is the treasure hunt list, class treasure hunt list. There are books, computers, chairs, pencils, table, clock, children, a teacher. Now you have to put these words in the blanks to make a poem of you. Then draw a picture of your classroom. This is your task for today, that you have to write a poem with the help of this word box, and after that you have to draw a picture of your classroom. That's all for today. Do your work and send it to me on time. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.